say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayana, aka the Curvy Barbie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the like button if you like this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm going to be more consistent now with my videos. And for the month of October, I thought that I would bring you guys a whole month of hauls. So you guys are going to be seeing some legging hauls, some dress hauls, couple different hauls. I did a little shopping these last couple months, and I want to show you guys some things that I have got. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys a couple different vacation dresses slash sundresses if it's still hot where you guys are. A couple of these, the first two that I'm going to show you guys, I have had for a while, but they're both from FashionNova. I've worn them many times. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them, so I figured that I would show you guys. The other two are going to be like basic dresses, so stay tuned for the rest. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite. This one that I'm wearing right now is actually my favorite. I've had it for actually like a couple of years now. It's a dress, but it has shorts under. You just can't really see them because they rise up when I, start moving around and stuff. But it's good to have that protection, being that it has slits going all the way up. I'm going to back up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see, but the slits go all the way down on the sides. And it's like a very floral dress. It fits my waist really well. If you are new here, I'm a very curvy girl. My waist is a lot smaller than my hips. So I struggle a lot when I buy dresses or like jumpsuits with, sometimes it'll fit on the bottom, but it won't fit on top. So the material is really stretchy, so that allows for that stretch and for me to be able to, it kind of like hugs the body basically. So I hope you guys like this one. It's my favorite. In the back, it goes all the way down to the floor. And then in the front, it's just the two slits. So this is the first one. I hope you guys like it. Also, you can, if you wanted to, you can do like a off the shoulder moment. I think that's really cute. You can do it on both sides if you wanted to, or you can just, pull it up if you wanted to be a little more conservative and just wear it up on your shoulders. And that's it. I think this is good. It is a little short on my arms. I think I have long arms for my height. I'm 5'4", but I think I have a little bit of longer arms. But like I said, if you look on the website, I think it's meant to be worn off the shoulders, so if I wear it off the shoulders, then it fits perfectly like that. So, it's up to you. But either way, it doesn't bother me if it's a little shorter. I get a lot of compliments, like I said. And, let me know what you guys think. Next dress is a floral light sky blue dress. I really love this dress too. It's extremely flowy, very free, you don't really have to worry about, trying to hide any imperfections or anything. It's extremely long to the ground. You guys can't really see, but it's all the way down to the floor. I'm 5'4", so it's draping the floor for me. But if you're a little taller, you're a tall girl, then it'll probably be perfect for you guys. It does have a little bit of a slit on the bottom. You guys can't really see that, I'm sorry. But is it on both sides? It's on no, it's on the both sides. Both sides, but it's not really showing anything, and because the dress is so flowy, you almost don't even know that it's there. The dress has a belt, so it kind of helps with the flowiness for somebody like me. You know, I can tighten the belt up so it gives me a little bit of a waist, and really for anybody, whether you have a smaller waist or, you know, you carry a little weight around your waist, it still can help give that illusion of, you know, the curviness basically. So I really love this dress. I wore this dress when I was pregnant. I've worn this dress just, you know, I'm not pregnant now. And, you know, it works for a lot of different things. This dress, I think, actually could be a great, like, baby shower dress, or even, like I said, going on vacation, Miami vibes, or beach vibes, you know, things like that. So, you know, I really love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, guys, so outfit number 3 is a very elegant long dress, long maxi dress. Once again, this one also has the slits on the side. These slits are very risque. They come up pretty much all the way up. So I'm standing still right now, and it's okay, but when you start walking and moving, the thighs are definitely out. So I would recommend wearing like a bodysuit under or something like that, or even like some boy shorts, you know, just to be on the safe side. But overall, it's very elegant. I wore this to a wedding one time when I was pregnant, and then I've also worn it, you know, for date night, out with my husband before. And you know, it works in both ways. It's very flowy. It comes all the way down to the ground. I know you guys can't see that, but it does come all the way down to the ground. I'm 5'4" once again, so it drapes the ground for me. So if you are, you know, 5'8", 5'6", something like that, it should be pretty good for you. You throw a heel on, and it probably won't even touch the ground. But other than that, it's really nice. The material is extremely stretchy. It's lightweight, so, you know, like I said before, vacation vibes. You can wear it, you know, maybe in the winter time if you know, want, although your legs are going to be out. But you can take it somewhere with a hotter climate. And, you know, you don't have to worry about being too hot in it because it is long sleeves, but it's very lightweight. So the only thing to watch out for is this part here. As you can see, I'm kind of holding this part here because it's I guess it's called a plunge, maybe a plunge. You know, it's open pretty much right here. So the type of bra that I have on is not really, you know, the best for it, so you'll see it, but you know, you can work with it. You can put a safety pin on it or something like that. It's not something that would make me not want to buy the dress. I would definitely buy the dress. I wish they had other colors, but as of right now, this is all they have. I actually bought this a couple years ago, so I'll have to double check and see if they even still have it. But I love dresses like this. Like, as you can see, the dress before was very flowy. I love a flowy dress because you can just, you know, you don't really have to worry too much. I don't have to keep adjusting it as I'm walking. It just kind of flows with me. And, you know, you feel like you kind of, you know, like a mermaid or something. But yeah, so this is the third one, and I have one more for you guys that's a little more, little less formal. So I hope you guys like that one. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this one, if you would buy it, or if you have it, okay? Okay, guys, so last one is, like I said, a little less formal. You can, you know, go run some errands with this. You know, it's not really too dressy. You can throw on a, you know, jean jacket with it, you know, a little cardigan or something like that. Sometimes I do that if you wanted to. It's like a silky material, stretchy. I wish that I would have went up one size, although it fits nice. You know, if you like this fit, then, you know, pick your size, you know, fit into your curves and stuff. But if you want it to be a little looser, you know, you won't have to adjust it so much when you're walking. Maybe size up. I think this is a large, so I would have gotten an extra large. I don't even know if they have that, but like I said, it would have fit, I think, a little looser. It is on me. It does have a slit. It's not very high. It comes like mid thigh, I guess you could say, not too high. Just one on the left side. And it comes like right before my ankles. So it's not all the way down to the floor. Maybe if you're a little less curvy, it might hit the floor. But yeah, so this is nice. I like this. I have this in one other color. I think they have a couple other colors like black, you know, all the basics basically. I have a wine, like a red wine color, which is really nice also. And then I have this color. I might go back and get the black. I think it was probably like maybe $10, $12. It might have been like $14, I think. I think it was 14. But so, like I said, it's a basic. It's a basic dress, you know, something you add to your collection, something you eat very easy. Throw it on, throw on a sandal. You know, you could even throw on a heel if you know, if you're feeling a little dressy. Throw on a jean jacket, leather jacket over it, whatever you want. So that's it. So this is going to be the last one. Let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. My favorite, I believe, was that first one with the shorts under it. That's really my favorite. I just love the pattern of it. I wish that they had more in different colors, but I haven't been able to find any more yet. So, but all of them I like for different occasions. So you guys let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite and which one you think that you'll be purchasing, and or which one you thought looked the best on me. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Probably is going to be a leggings haul. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I try and post, you know, like at least once a week on both of those. So I'll see you guys next time.